Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the platinum resistance thermometer. So here is the diagram of this platinum resistance thermometer. This platinum resistance thermometer is based on the principle of change of resistance with change in temperature. This platinum resistance thermometer was designed by Simon in 1871 and later this improved by the Callender and Griffiths. This platinum resistant thermometer consists of a pure platinum wire which is wound in a double spiral to avoid inductive effects. The wire is wound on its mica plate. The two ends of this platinum wire are connected to thick leads for lower temperature and connected to the binding terminals B1 and B2. These are the two binding terminals B1 and B2. For higher temperatures, the leads are of platinum C1 and C2. These are the compensating leads. C1 and C2 are the compensating leads, exactly similar and of the same resistance as leads used with platinum wire. The platinum wire and the compensating leads are enclosed in this glazed porcelain tube. This is a glazed porcelain tube in which these binding terminals B1 and B2 and compensating lead C1 and C2, these are included in this porcelain tube. The tube is sealed and the binding terminals are provided at the top. The leads pass through this mica disc. These are the three mica discs through which these leads are passed, which offer the best insulation and also prevent convection currents. So suppose the resistance of the wire at T degrees Celsius is equal to RT and resistance at 0 degrees Celsius is R0. Then resistance connected to this relation RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. Alpha and beta are the constants. So to find the values of alpha and beta, the resistance of the platinum wire is determined at three fixed points. One is the melting point of ice, another is boiling point of water, boiling point of sulfur and boiling point of oxygen. So the T equal to RT minus R0 upon R100 minus R0 into the 100. By knowing the values of R0, R100, RT, the T can be calculated. The resistance of platinum wire is found accurately using this Callender and Griffiths bridge. Here the P and Q, these are the resistances. S is the standard functional resistance box. XY is the bridge wire. So O is the midpoint of the bridge wire. R is the resistance of this platinum wire, D is the balance point, G is the galvanometer. So the temperature T can be found RT minus R0 upon R100 and R0. By knowing the values of RT, R0 and R100, the T can be calculated. So here this RT means the resistance of the wire at T degrees Celsius, and the resistance of the wire at 0 degrees Celsius is R0. So this platinum resistance thermometer, which is based on the principle of change of resistance with temperature. It consists of this pure platinum wire, which is wound in a double spiral to avoid this inductive effect. So this platinum wire is in double form to avoid the inductive effect, and the wire wound on this is the mica sheet on which this platinum wire can be wound, which is in double form to avoid the inductive effect. These are the three mica discs through which these B1 and B2, C1 and C2. Here B1 and B2 are the binding terminals. C1 and C2, these are the two compensating leads which are inserted in this mica disc, and all this arrangement is kept in the glazed porcelain tube, and these B1 and B2, these are connected to this bridge, and this is Candler and Griffiths bridge. Here R is the resistance of the compensating leads. Small r is the resistance of these compensating leads. Capital R is the resistance of this platinum wire. Resistance of this platinum wire. G is the galvanometer. D is the balancing point. O is the midpoint of the bridge wire. Is the battery. This is the key. So S is the standard functional resistance box. P and Q, these are the two resistances. XY is the bridge wire having the length 2L. So O is the midpoint of the bridge wire, and capital R is the resistance of this platinum wire, and D is the balancing point. B1 and B2, these are the binding terminals, and C1 and C2, these are the compensating leads which are kept in this, which are passes through these mica sheets and which are kept in the glazed porcelain tube. So the tube is sealed and binding terminals are provided at the top. Here is the tube is sealed and binding terminals and are provided at this top of this tube. So this is about the platinum resistance thermometer. Okay, thank you.